Hello astrology lovers, welcome to AstroBasic, the first place to learn astrology. I'm Jayant Kumar and I'll be your host for today's session from AstroBasic channel. AstroBasic has launched numerology report last year and a lot of people has given very good feedback. But one common question everybody has asked who has generated this numerology report is, can you please tell me how this numerology report can help me and what is the benefit, what kind of benefit I can get after generating this numerology report. So basically this numerology report is a blueprint of your life. So it's like, for example, if you're going to a new place and if you don't have any map, then you don't know where to go first and where to spend more time, which place to see first and which one to see last or which one to ignore because you have limited time. Basically, when you take a birth in this life, your soul has to get particular experience. And if you don't know what is your real potential, what is the purpose of your life, where you have to go, or what exactly you have to do, then you probably ending up with doing something which is not really required, or you might be spending time or energy there which is not aligned with your purpose. So basically this numerology report will give you a blueprint of your life where you will come to know all the meaning of important numbers, what is coming into your as per your date of birth and name, and you will know how to use that. So I decided to start a video series in that I will take each number and explain you what is the purpose, and if you are generating the numerology full report, then how to use it and how this particular number can help you and what kind of information this particular number can give you. This numerology report basically provide you all the details. It's your life purpose, what are the strengths you have, what are the shortcomings you have that you need to improve, how other people perceives you, what exactly you want from the core inside, what are the opportunities you are going to get in particular age, and what are the challenges you are also going to receive. Along with that, you will also come to know the each year how it will be. So we are providing in this report the 2 years analysis. Along with that, in the Chaldean report, you will find that the combination of your number is coming in your date of birth is having some special meaning. And that's the deep analysis basically that astrologers usually do when they take your chart. So they prepare the chart and they do these analysis. So it is a rare combination of Pythagorean report and Chaldean report, which I believe I haven't seen that is available in the market. So you can really enjoy that report and you will really get a lot of deep insight. So I'm going to start a numerology report video series in that in each video I'll be taking one number out of that numerology report and explain you what exactly signifies and what are the things you can come to know from this number after generating the report. Cosmic https cosmic.astrobasic.com. You go here, this is the report homepage. Right now report in English, we are planning to bring report in Hindi also, so right now you can click here, then you will get this form where you can enter the detail, like I'm entering one name and I'm entering the email address. Make sure you are entering the right email address because one copy of your report will go to your email address, whatever email address you are giving. And then you will get two options, free report and full report. You can generate the full report. After clicking on full report, you comes to this payment page. And if you see here, this coupon discount coupon is already applied. So right now is the right time, I can say, to buy this full numerology report because it is the price of less than your cafe latte. So you see the price has reduced from this to 299, 5.99. So it is less than your daily coffee, whatever you are paying for the coffee. And here you have the payment options. So one is if you are outside India, you pay in the dollar. And if you are within India, then you have two payment options. One is Paytm and one is PayU Money. So you can use one of them for the payment. After payment, you will see this report is generated. So this report is available like as a web page, as well as you will see this report in a PDF format as well. So when you go to your Gmail, report is generated. You will get email, and in the attachment you will also see the PDF. So you can see this numerology report. It has two parts. One is Pythagorean, and you will get your life path number with videos. Then you can see your birthday number, purpose of your birthday number. Then you see expression number, hidden passion number, karmic relation number, personality number, her desire number, karmic tape number, challenge number, pinnacle number, essence cycle number, personal year number, Chaldean report. Under that you will see Mulank, and then Bhagyank, then Chaldean name number, then month number, what is the meaning of the month, then year, sun sign, and this is a numerology chart which is very unique. So when you go into further detail, each number appearing in your the combination, and that combination tells about the result. Like here, number 1 meaning number 2, number 6, like 3 is appearing more than once, so that has their meaning. So you will see that in detail in under the Chaldean section. Under the Chaldean current year, you will see that number 4, what is the meaning of that, and this is again the Chaldean method of calculating that year, so that you will see the meaning. So next year we are providing you 2 years data, so you will see that 2 years, and then thank you. So we are also planning to add like relationship, your name analysis, the finance analysis, important age, and also you will be seeing it is coming soon, within 1 or 2 weeks. So we are working on that. So you always have option to download PDF, or you will always see the PDF in your email. Apart from that, when you go to your email, so you will get a link for the web page report. So whenever you want, you can read it. So it's your report, so you can always read this report in a web page format as well as in the PDF format. And this report is very much compatible in the mobile view as well. So you won't face any problem in mobile also. So you can generate the report and that. In last video, we have discussed about life path number, and you can watch my previous video and you can come to know about the importance of life path number and how you should use that in your daily life. So today I'm going to discuss about the birthday number. If you see this birthday number, so basically birthday number is the special talent you have received, because that is the unique again. So it is this number basically helping you to achieve that your life path purpose. So suppose life path number tells you to go from A to B. So this birthday number, God has given you a special talent that you can use during when you travel on that path. Birthday number is again very important when it comes to the career. So career perspective, whenever you see your birthday number, importance becomes very high, because it is your mind, it is how you see this world, how you possess this world basically. So it is your perspective towards the world. So that's why when it is always comes the first thing, when people notice you, your birthday number, then life path number comes. So your characteristics, because your thought process, the skill you have is coming as per the birthday number. So that's why it is people usually see the attitude kind of things that is related to your birthday number. So somebody asked me whether my birthday number is important or life path number is important. Frankly speaking, both are important. Both has some purpose. That's why these two numbers are very important. It is coming under your core number. However, as I said, this birthday number will be more prominent first 27 years or 25 years of your life, or till the time you get married, or till the time you get a job. This birthday number will be very prominent in your characteristics, and then life path number characteristics will start building. So if you are in early 20s, then you may see that your birthday number characteristics are matching more compared to your life path number. So in this report, I have given your birthday number details. What is the
positive side of your birthday number, what is the negative side of your birthday number, so that you can understand your, positive side, what you have, and negative side, so that you can overcome your, it's a negative, it's, you can say, that area of improvement that you can see. And then how, as per your birthday number, your love and relationship, health, career, and all those things, finance. I would say, along with that, when you are checking this birthday number or life path number, I will quickly go to Chaldean number, a Chaldean report. In that, if you see this chart, if you see this chart, in this chart, basically, as per your date of birth, like 26 March 2013, you will see that the number combination has formed. All the numbers appeared in the your date of birth, that is appearing here, and each number has meaning. So when you say 26th is your date of birth, number 8, it is not 8, it is 2, and it is 6, and it is 8 which is making relationship with 2. So that's what you are seeing, that, and 8 is appearing more than once. What is the meaning of it? Your chart is showing combination of 2 and 8. What does it mean? So all those things you will see that. So it will give you more deep analysis rather than just seeing that 26 as a 8, number 8. So it is more helpful when you go to this chart. So if you want to generate this report, link is displaying below, or you can go to description for the numerology report link.
Know about all your important number, please generate numerology report. You can see the link is displaying below, and you can also go to the description to check out the link. If you want to know how to calculate these numbers and more in details, you can always buy my book Numerology and You. Thank you. So this was my analysis, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe below, or a small YouTube tiny icon, and if you are seeing this video on Facebook, then please like my page as well. And thank you. Stay tuned. See you in next video. Bye bye.